Did you know that one of history's greatest spiritual poets was actually a boring scholar until a mysterious stranger destroyed his life? Rumi had it all figured out: respected teacher, comfortable life, students who hung on every word. Then Shams of Tabriz walked into his world and asked one simple question: why are you reading about divine love instead of living it? Everything changed. Rumi abandoned his books. His students watched their perfect teacher become obsessed with this wild mystic. Their friendship was so intense that jealous students drove Shams away. Some say they killed him. Rumi was shattered. But here's what's incredible. His greatest loss became his greatest teacher. In his pain, he started writing poetry that still moves millions today. He created the whirling dervishes, turning dance into prayer. The scholar who once feared emotion became the mystic who taught the world that our deepest wounds hold our greatest wisdom. Sometimes what breaks us is exactly what we need to become who we're meant to be. Your pain isn't your enemy, it's your teacher.